Good morning, we are resuming daily vlogging again. We're back in Cusco. I'm so out of breath already. Just ran up the stairs. We all feel like pretty crappy, to be honest. Just full of the cold and things. Hannah's just showering and stuff. Jack's in bed. He didn't feel very good again last night, so I think he should just stop being vegetarian because he keeps getting food poisoning. But I just wanted to show you, this is the rooftop terrace in La Pam in Wild Rover. We came back. It's down there, but this is the view of Cusco. It's so beautiful. I honestly don't think we've been to a town that's, or a city that's been so beautiful. It's awesome. It's just surrounding views of mountains and everything like that. I am going to get some breakfast, do some laundry, and go to the pharmacy and try and get some cold and flu tablets, cough sweets, cough syrup, everything. I'm drugging myself up today, and then we're going to drink for the rest of the day, which will be good. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but there's heaps of soldiers and sailors. Every time I come to Cusco, there's something going on. It looks so cool though. I'll try and get closer in a minute. I just need to get money out. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but right over there, there's all these things stood up like flowers. Oh, they didn't mean to. They all just fell over. I thought it was like some kind of ceremony. I went and had breakfast this morning and then went to the pharmacy. Jack's just looking at me like, who are you talking to? Went to the pharmacy and got some cough syrup and some cold and flu meds and all that kind of stuff, and I'm all dosed up now, so I do feel better. I've just spent, it's now 2 PM. I know this vlog is going to be the most boring thing ever, but I've just spent the last kind of like 3 hours just sat, oh, is this really dirty? Just spent the last 3 hours kind of just sat editing these videos and got kind of looked through the pictures on the camera and all that kind of thing. I have got to go pick up my laundry at 5. All my clothes washed. And then I'm going to shower and then I'll be in top form, ready to drink tonight. But I'm going to go meet Hannah at the bar. She's at the bar drinking at the moment. I just want to be done with this now. I'm just making the size of the video smaller because it's like 20 minutes. Obviously it's 5 days. It's going to be longer than the other ones. And then I'm going to try and upload it. So,
we're at Jack's Cafe again. Well, this is my first time here, and I'm having the coffee milkshake as a strawberry milkshake and nothing. We're really contemplating between getting breakfast or getting burgers, because the burgers have mushroom sauce on them. It was the French toast, but when our meals come out we'll show you. Today we're not really doing too much. We're going to be setting up our bus for the rest of the week and going back to alpaca so I can change my shirt. Apart from that, I'm not doing much else.
Going to prove off as well.
So that, missed it.
French toast with no fruit. Veggie.